As a learner driver, there are rules and restrictions you must follow to stay safe on the roads. This means that sometimes you cannot do things that full license holders are able to do. In this video, we cover if you can drive on motorways as a provisional license holder and what rules you need to follow. In this video, we will go into what roads you can drive on as a learner driver, what a motorway is, if learner drivers can go on a motorway with a provisional license, and if they can go on a motorway with a supervising driver. We will go over the requirements for learner drivers on a motorway and what happens if you don't follow the rules. We will then go over the benefits of motorway driving and some tips for driving safely on motorways. So, what roads can you drive on as a learner driver? Provisional license holders can drive on most roads in the UK when supervised by a supervising driver or a driving instructor. This includes single carriageways and dual carriageways, however, there are restrictions for driving on motorways. But first, what is a motorway? A motorway typically has 3 lanes in each direction for high speed travel. They handle more traffic with a national speed limit of 70 miles per hour. They are different to dual carriageways, which are typically 2 lanes in each direction separated by a central divider. So, can learner drivers drive on a motorway with a provisional license? Yes, learner drivers can drive on a motorway with a provisional license in England, Scotland and Wales, but only if they are with an approved driving instructor in a dual controlled vehicle. You will not be tested on motorway driving during your driving test, so this will be voluntary practice. If your driving instructor is confident that you can manage motorway driving, they may take you there to practice. This may also be dependent on if you live near a motorway to be able to practice there. After you pass your test, you are also able to have separate motorway lessons or complete a Pass Plus course to gain experience on motorways. Can learners go on motorways with a supervising driver? Learners are not allowed on motorways when practicing with a supervising driver or in a car that does not have dual controls. This means if you are doing lessons in your own car, you will not be able to go on motorways even if you are with your driving instructor. So what are the requirements for learner drivers driving on motorways? You must be accompanied by an approved driving instructor. This means you can't practice on motorways with a friend or family member even if they meet the usual requirements for being a supervising driver. You must be in a dual controlled vehicle. The car must be fitted with dual controls. This allows for the instructor to take over if necessary. You must display L plates or a rooftop box. The vehicle must have L plates displayed on the front and back of the vehicle or a learner rooftop box on the car to let people know that you are learning to drive. But what happens if you don't follow the rules? If you drive on a motorway when you are not in a dual controlled car with an approved driving instructor, you risk getting a fine, points on your license or any insurance cancelled. There is a potential risk of a fine of up to £1,000 and 6 penalty points on your license, which will be transferred to your full license after you pass. Make sure that you follow the rules to avoid any penalties that will impact you as a driver. If you have learner insurance or if you are an additional driver, make sure you read over policy documents and make sure there are no other restrictions that could lead to your policy being cancelled. What are the benefits of learning to drive on a motorway? Increased confidence. Driving at higher speeds and dealing with motorway traffic can help to boost your confidence. Better preparedness. You'll be better prepared after you pass your test to drive on motorways. Understanding signs. Familiarity with motorway signs can make future motorway driving safer and less stressful. More driving skills. By driving in more road conditions, you will be able to gain more diverse driving experience. And finally, some tips for safe driving on motorways as a learner driver. Listen to your driving instructor. Always pay attention to what your instructor is telling you, even when you are overwhelmed. They are the expert and can help to guide you safely. Understand motorway signs and speed limits. Familiarise yourself with motorway signage, lane markings and typical speed limits before you go on the motorway. Use the slip road to build up speed. When joining the motorway, accelerate on the slip road to match the speed of the traffic for a smoother merge. Check mirrors and blind spots. Always check mirrors and blind spots before changing lanes or merging. Maintain safe distances. Keep a safe follow distance, especially at high speeds. Use the 2-second rule as a guide. Stay in the left lane unless overtaking. On UK motorways, the left lane is for regular travel when the middle and right lanes are for overtaking only. Avoid lane switching. Frequent lane changes can be risky on high-speed roads. Stick to your lane unless you are overtaking. Stay calm in busy traffic. Motorways can get congested, so stay calm and focused, especially during peak hours. So if you are a learner driver who wants practice driving on motorways, make sure you are following all the criteria. Make sure you are with an approved driving instructor in a dual control car that has L plates on the front and back or a roof box. Never drive on motorways with a supervising driver using your own insurance or when added as an additional driver. This can lead to your policy being cancelled and even fines or points on your licence. While motorway driving is not essential when learning to drive, it may help build your confidence and give you peace of mind after you pass your driving test. Even if you don't get motorway driving practice as a learner, you have the option of additional motorway driving lessons after you pass, or a Pass Plus course to help develop your skills. If you are a learner driver looking for more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and safe driving.